Hello and welcome back. If you want to grow your local business, want to get more phone calls, more inquiry, then Google My Business help you to get free call and also growing your business. So what is Google My Business? Google My Business is a free tool that helps business manage their online presence in Google Search and Google Maps. It allows businesses to create a profile that includes important information such as business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, product of services, photos and also videos. Importance of Google My Business. It increases visibility. GMB help business appear to Google search result, Google Maps and other also Google properties. When customers search for relevant keywords for location or target, this increase visibility drive potential customer to your business. Also local SEO. GMB is crucial for local search engine optimization. By providing accurate, complete information, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in local search result. And customer engagement. Google My Business allows you to interact with customers through reviews, messages and posts. Responding to customer inquiries and reviews demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Insight and analytics. GMB provides valuable insights into how customers are finding interacting with your businesses. This data can help you to track your performance, identify trend and make informed marketing decision. Free marketing tools. GMB offer various free marketing tools such as creating posts, running promotion, managing your business hours. These tools can help you to reach wider audience and attract more customers. Overall, Google My Business is powerful tool that can significantly benefit business of all sizes by creating, optimizing your GMB profile. You can improve your online visibility, attract more customers and enhance your overall business profile. If you go Google My Business profile, here you can see stand out Google with a free business profile. Free, create a business at no cost, easy and personalized. Take charge your first impression. Here you can see this is the example of Google My Business profile, and these are also know how customer find your businesses. People will search. I always ask customer what made you call me. Of time they tell me we reach out because your business profile on Google. So these are the benefit of Google My Business account. In this video I'm trying to provide you what is Google My Business, how it help you. In the next video I will share you how to open a Google My Business account. Thank you so much for watching this video.